In this Schrader short, we're going to talk about our wireless retrofit kit. Today we're going to install it on a 2001 Jeep Cherokee. This vehicle does not have TPMS, so we're going to put TPMS on it to give you all those safety benefits of having a TPMS system installed on your vehicle. We're going to go through the mounting and dismounting procedures. We're going to go through the balance procedures. We're going to go through the wrist procedures. And after that, we'll show you how to learn the sensors to the system, and we'll be good to go. Break both sides. Now we're going to break the back side. Going to remove the valve stem. We're going to install the sensor that comes with the retrofit kit. Again, use your TPMS install block. Okay, the sensor's installed. I'm going to put the tire on. Make sure you got enough lube. Bring the arm back into place. Roughly 180 degrees from the mount-dismount head. Wherever the bead flips over last is where you want the sensor to be. I'm going to put the tire back on. Sensors are installed. Now that the sensors have been installed into the vehicle, using your TPMS scan tool, you can learn those sensors that we just installed into the wheels and tires using your TPMS scan tool of your choice. Alternatively, if you don't have a TPMS scan tool, you can do the pressure drop relearn to learn those IDs to the vehicle. Okay? So we're going to take the TPMS scan tool. We're going to put the vehicle, the display into learn mode by pressing and holding the plus button. It takes us to the left front sensor. You're going to activate the sensor. You're going to hear the tool beep and also the display beep, telling me that we have received that signal from the sensor. We're going to go to the other side and do the same thing. We're going to select another scan tool. I've got the display set for the right front. We're going to test the sensor. You're going to hear the tool beep and also the display chirp. We're going to repeat this process for the remaining locations. All right, so now that we've learned the IDs to the display unit, we're going to put the display unit on the dashboard. Why we want it on the dashboard? Because we have a solar power unit which powers this display. It comes with a little sticky device that you can set on the dashboard. Set your display on the dashboard and it should hold it right there. And those are the steps to follow to properly install, relearn or learn the IDs using a TPMS tool to your retrofit kit. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed.